are gowns that are made and designed in China. I just wanted to show you the inner construction because they are very much like the bodice is like a long line bra, and you can see all the boning that they have in it and how the bra cups are sewn through and boned right through the cups. There's all these bones along in here under the bust for shaping the torso. More boning here in the bra cups to shape them. And then around to the side and around to the back, there will be boning. They do not bone your side seams, so that if there's adjustments where that side seam would have to be taken out, it's easy for a seamstress to unsew that and make it bigger. The gowns do come with 2-inch side seams, so you could take them out a total of 4 inches. They come with hanging straps. They come with the hang tag inside, the inside label tag that tells you how to care for them. And the bridal gowns also come with a bra strap that comes around the back here, just like your bra would hook in back, and hooks around for support in the back. Of course, those dresses are a little more expensive, and so they design them just a little bit more security in them for the bride. So thank you for looking. This is Joanne. Bye. Now, I cannot show you the back of this size 6 gown on my dress form because my dress form's a 10 and it does not zip. So I did want to hang it here on a hanger and come in and show you how the zip-up back has the little mossy oak covered buttons over it. And the zipper comes, oh, where's it coming? Way down to here, so about to the hip line. And as I said in the other section about how they're made inside, there's 2-inch seam openings on both sides so that you could take it out if you needed to without any trouble. And then let's go down under here, and I think that I could pull it up enough, excuse me, to show you the netted crinoline under here. You see that? I don't think you can see that very well. Let's see, it comes with this installed netted crinoline, and under the crinoline there is a black lining here that goes next to your skin. So you've got lining next to your skin, and then you've got netting right here, and then the dress goes down over the netting. So it does give the dress a lot of shape through the skirt here. If you were going to wear it without an additional crinoline like our 106 to make it even more full. That's it for this one.